I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Is technology making you overtip? It seems almost every time you leave the house, you have to tip someone no matter where you are. While it makes sense to tip a restaurant or when you get a complicated coffee order, why are we tipping people who don't do anything other than simply hand you something as part of their job? Some believe the recent easy electronic payments from phones and iPads has gotten a little out of hand, and it's true that we may be over-tipping when it comes to some services. My personal tip, pardon the pun, is to consider if the employee you're tipping is a contracted employee, and if so, consider 20% standard, and raise that percentage up for exceptional service. This goes for waitstaff, bartenders, taxi drivers, salon workers, to name a few. It's people who are actually performing a service for you. However, if you get a simple order to go and you come face to face with that iPad that they spin around at you, you don't need to feel a minimum tip needs to be at least 20%. That is to say, you can, of course, feel free to offer a 10 to 20% tip if you want to show your appreciation. For other types of tips when it comes to the latest technology, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.